Hello and welcome to Around Asia with ANN. I'm Jofel Tisorio.
We bring you the latest from the newsroom of Asia News Network, an alliance of 21 newspapers in Asia, including the nation of Thailand. I'm Rupak D. Sharma.
Today we'll talk about a group of talented young men who have their roots in the Philippines. They've been touring with Justin Bieber as backup singers. But first, let's watch this video.
I know, when I compliment her, she won't believe me. It's so sad to think that she don't see what I see. And every time she asks me if I look okay, I say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are.
Well, the recent Justin Bieber concert in the Philippines enthralled not because of the Canadian teens' performance, but because of the presence of a group of Filipino-American singers who serve as Justin Bieber's backup singers. And they call themselves Legacy, spelled Legaci.
Well, according to the Philippine Daily Inquirer, the group based in San Francisco Bay Area and currently composed of Chris Abad, Delphine Lazaro, Dominic Manuel, and Mika Tolentino nearly stole the show with the guys' mastery of harmony and counterpoint technique, illustrated during a spot number and a cappella medley of contemporary pop hits. Just like Justin Bieber, Legacy was discovered on YouTube, where they have been posting videos for their songs for the past 3 years.
Well, in an interview with the Philippine Daily Inquirer, they said their videos stand out because they take top 40 songs and make them their own. They strip all of the synthetic elements like auto-tune and performing the song either acoustically with piano or guitar or a cappella. In short, they put a different twist on their music.
Legacy has released 2 studio albums, Little Black Book in 2006 and Sessions in 2007. What motivated these Filipino-Americans to form a group is their love for music. It's their dream, and they wanted to pursue this dream with their friends.
Well, that dream certainly has come true. When Legacy did cover Baby, which was Justin Bieber's first monstrous hit, they didn't expect something. For this cover, they just wanted to do a special collaboration with popular YouTube artist Kathy Nguyen and Trafficked. When it did catch Justin's attention, they were completely surprised.
They said they never thought of backup singing as a platform to gain exposure, but becoming backup singers for Justin Bieber has been a huge stepping stone for them and has allowed them to be exposed to millions of people around the world. For them, the offer to sing backup for Justin Bieber was a pleasant surprise. They have every intention of taking advantage of the opportunity to build the Legacy brand.
Well, the Legacy has been touring with Justin Bieber for a year now, and the experience, they say, is tremendous, especially when they were given a chance to go to the Philippines and meet their fellow Filipinos. But as Filipino-Americans, they said it's not a different experience from the lives of regular Americans. Mitch said they have a unified culture, especially when it comes to music. Mitch said they are proud of their heritage for instilling hard work. And Dominic, the other member, said there's no secret, or it's no secret, that Filipinos and Asians in general haven't had an easy road into the American mainstream entertainment industry. But with talent and perseverance, they will always prevail.
Well, as they say, never say never. Follow that dream. Well, that's all for Around Asia with ANN today. Thank you for watching us. For more news and information on Asia, log on to our website, www.asianewsnet.net. I'm Rupak D. Sharma.
You can follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Just look for Asian News Network or watch our videos on YouTube at Asian News Net 1. I'm Jofel Casorio. Thank you for watching, and we're leaving you with this song.
Oh, 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 oh.
You know you love me, yeah, know you care. Shout whenever, yeah, I'll be there. You are my love, yeah, you are my heart. We will never, ever, ever be apart.
Are we an item?
Yeah.
Boy, quit playing.